Hello everyone, I am Utsav Mehta, roll number 20 CS 10069 section 10. For the DIY lab assignment 4 part 1, I have created a project on the Proteus software under the category Arduino Motor Shield. This is the schematic capture of my project and currently the project is in simulation. This is the motor. There are two motors on the motor shield. Currently the motor 1 is operating. The RPM value of this motor is 2.41. It takes some time to reach this value. That's why I'm showing you the simulation first, then I will show you my source code due to time constraints. Now this 2.41 RPM value is given by the enable A pin, which is connected to the pin number 4, which in turn is connected to pin number 6 of the Arduino. The value given to IO6 pin is a PWM value, which is related to the RPM speed, which I'll show you in the source code. There are two pins, IN1 and IN2. IN1 is connected to IO12 pin and IN2 is connected to IO8 pin through a Xenor gate. The value given to IN1 is high and to IN2 is low, so as to rotate the motor in the clockwise direction. Now I will stop my simulation and I will show you the source code. The PWM value which I told you is given to the IO6 pin is 50, due to which the resultant rotating speed of the motor is 2.41. The formula to calculate it is to divide PWM value by 255 and multiply it by maximum rotating speed of the motor. 255 is the maximum value of the PWM. This is the main portion of the source code. The pin number 12, which is connected to IN1, is given high. The pin number 8, which is connected to the brake through a Xenor gate, is given the value low. And the pin number 6 is set as the output pin. The value to this pin is the PWM, which is a variable initialized to 50 type of int, and this 50 results in the 2.41 RPM, as I told you. Now the second part of my project is on the Node-RED software. As you can see, this is a flow channel named X, and there are four things you can see here. The first is a slider. Its name is gas pressure controller. Its maximum value is 50. It engages in steps of 1. It is connected to a bar chart. The name of the bar chart is gas pressure in bar. Its maximum value is 50, same as the maximum value of gas pressure controller. The third thing is a slider again. Its name is water pressure controller. Its maximum value is 100. It engages in steps of 1. It is connected to a gauge. The gauge's name is water level in centimeter. It has the same maximum value of 100. And I tell you to remember the 5 things here. This is green color, yellow color, red color, 33 and 67. I will tell you what they are. Now I have deployed these things on the dashboard, which is the user interface, as you can see here. This is the slider of the water pressure controller. I am slowly sliding it. As you can see, currently the value of water level in centimeter is 13 units and the color is green. Till this value reaches 33, the value will be green. Once it crosses 33, the value will be yellow, as I told you to remember. Yes, the value is green. Now it's yellow. Similarly, till it reaches 67, the value will be yellow. Then it will turn to red. As you can see, it changes. Similarly, we can see for other values of the gauge also. This is the gas pressure controller. This is the slider, and this is the bar chart. I increase the value slowly, and you can see the bar is rising. Currently it is set to 16 bars. Then once I slide it more, it will be increasing, and finally it will be set to 50. So the Node-RED is working successfully. I had connected it. I had opened a server, local server, and under it is working. Thank you.